you ever seen this thing, or this thing? And have you ever questioned yourself, what is the connection of these objects in physics and engineering?
The objects that you saw earlier are some examples of things that show simple harmonic motion. But what is simple harmonic motion? Simple harmonic motion is a repetitive movement back and forth through an equilibrium or central position.
Some of the examples of this kind of motion can be seen on a pendulum, swing, slinky, car shock absorber, and many more. And to further explain simple harmonic motion, here is a ball attached to a horizontal spring lying onto a table. Since the ball is lying on the table and at rest, it is in a state of equilibrium. But when you move the ball by stretching the spring and letting it go, the ball will keep moving back and forth, and this back and forth motion caused by the spring is simple harmonic motion. When it comes to the use of springs, notice that not all springs are the same. This means that every spring has different properties. Springs have a representation called the spring constant K, and this spring constant will be unique to a particular spring.
You see, there is Hooke's law, and Hooke's law is a theory of elasticity that says the expansion-extension of a spring is equal to the load applied to it.
Now that we've discussed simple harmonic motion in physics, let us discuss how it is connected in engineering. And a question comes to mind: how mass affects simple harmonic motion? And the answer to that is, in simple harmonic motion, the more massive the system is, the longer the period. The best example for that is in this screen. Also, simple harmonic motion helps a lot in earthquakes. Because of movement from left to right, we can prove that the seismic isolation is working. It is a method of providing structural safety and security for people and properties in the building against earthquake by installing isolators and damping devices under the superstructure.
Ang Pilipinas ay kasama sa Pacific Ring of Fire na siyang nagbubunsod ng madalas na lindol. Isa lamang ang videong ito upang makatulong sa pagiging maagap ng kapwa ko Pilipino sa mga darating na sakuna. At dahil sa pagiging maagap natin, maaari pa nating mapaunlad ang ating pamayanan gamit ang patuloy na pagdiskubre sa agham at teknolohiya. Kaya halika, samahan mo akong ilahad kung ano nga ba ang kahulugan at esensya ng harmonic motion.